xin nó bé chuyện nhớ số trong hậu Khek Noi bảo bọn nó nếu nói nếu Thursday thì
Friday
thì á chi cầu chi đó Friday thì cầu chi chúng ta tỏ sự xã để sẽ có thay đổi họ từ thế bây giờ dừng bây giờ mua việc họ từ thì rồi nó bây giờ số trong nó bây giờ uống này ta kỹ năng kỹ mà thay ok thì chừng chôn gì thế này ok thì cứ cho nên một sai
cái gì tôi kể bỏ hai
cái gì tôi kể mua cái này keep going.
Cái gì lúc rồi này nhấp bắt đầu cho chuyển động này thì hạt trong tí
rồi nó
lúc rồi này đây đó cái gì nó thắt hả nhau sự chúng mong nhau liền mỗi giờ mong bao chi chi là cho một sao mà đó là cho tết chỉ chúng mới tụi món này liền chơi thắt hả rồi over there
chưa tin You know, with that backpack on, it looks good. It really looks good. Actually, that's the outfit that I see you wearing in the morning if we are gonna be shooting early. Mo, I like this shot, man. As he's walking through the countryside, it's one of those scenes in the Taug này. The Taug này ít lắm hả? Ôi trời trai áo lò mà thao, lên trên trai to, lên từ dưới to, lên trên trai to.
do luôn, chia ra.
I want to see why across this bridge. Get over here, man. Oh,你个今天不要你懂的。tụi nó thì mong tụi cho thì tiêu, sao mày thấu nữa? Chỉ muốn đó là. This is a good shot. I think this will be a good bridge shot. No. This will be the other bridge shot that we could have.
There's no reason why he should cross this.
Yes, let's say he has to. He has to cross this to get to the hills. To get to the hills.
That makes sense to the movie.
Yes, it does. It's a part of the journey. It's a part of his journey.
It doesn't make sense to the movie.
It's part of his journey.
And I'm not gonna cross it because I have flip-flops.
Tập bê nó tôi kể ôi cho nên người chúng muốn cho xe đi.
It doesn't make sense in the film.
Yes, it does. You're daring. It shows that you're daring. You don't care about death.
That'd be cool. Shot over the shoulder, walking on.
Yeah. I like this silhouette shot too, where you only see the figure. The dark figure. Put on the hood once.
We see them on one side, we see this path in the middle. You want to get down here?
That could work. That could work.
On there, looking up, going this way.
Thảo có ông công lý sao? Có bị chơi có những công lý có thực hiện là sao? Yeah, this could work, guys. Lên từ chợ này, cho nó là.
Cho nó còn cái này phô tí lý.
Nó nhà là chuyện. Bây giờ tao hay là thế ạ.
Chúa cha, thay đua chứ chúa cha.
Okay. Well, this could work, guys.
Sao xuất tiền đó chứ.
Cái này Joua Pao chế nữa.
I think the house is fine, but like the lady.
Oh yeah, oh no, I'm not. 估计还多了一点，过来录chế rồi. 录chế是啊，录chế也就写了嘛。别我晒晒不到。山内chế à?山内chế sẽ bổ sung thay à? Cái lúc nào này tay? Ồ là. What do you think about this scene where he's walking, Mong, and by the village? Yeah.
This looks so much like
It's not getting too close. This would be.
Keep in mind that we want to stay consistent.
Yeah.
Because everything in Khek Noi doesn't happen.
Well, the thing is, here's the thing. If we shoot that town there, we don't shoot Khek Noi anymore. We only shoot Khek Noi 被太了，被太大 so. Not necessarily.
To fit the environment of it.
来学了就那了拿的叫什么？不是蒙太阳那个叫蒙到多呀，compare 到蒙到那呀。This would be a very pretty Joua Pao's house.
Oh, dude, this is like awesome scenery.
Right here.
I know, and then we have the pig yard right over there. Would you like to hang out here more than the?
I think there's more peaceful, calm, and I like the little bridge.
You can handle that one.
I can.
You can handle that one.
I think that makes more sense, though.
I like this shot, bro. I think this is. Check it out. You don't even see it. It's blocked off. We can even cheat more. Imagine him like coming from the top to the right side of the road, and you see only one side of the bridge.
I think for
the
entry.
You like that one better?
Yeah.
Nó giờ chỉ tới là mong chả bùa nhân được tu giờ hầu lu giờ khi mẹ
This is exactly what I had in mind. How could bao short bỏ gì hay nó mà? Pe, cái tổ chỉ tao nó pe.